Welcome to Talk of the Town. With me now is Victoria Marangio. She is the owner and operator of a fairly new business called Stellar Services. It is a commercial and residential electrical services business. Everything electrical. We're going to go into all the details about your business, but first of all, welcome to the program. I think this is your first time.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for having me.
So it's you and your husband, so it's local, it's family owned. The business is named after your daughter named Stella.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. All right. And so you're located in Ridgeland.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So let's just dive right into the types of services that you provide, which are so critical to new construction and renovation, or just anyone that needs a repair.
Yes, ma'am. We do a little bit of everything from service calls and electrical maintenance to new construction and remodels and everything in between. We do commercial, residential, and industrial work.
Right. And do you have subcontractors, electricians that work with you, or do you have a team?
We have a team of electricians that we work together internally for Stellar. So we are full-fledged and ready to go.
And you said that they have how many years, if you combined experience?
45 years
45
experience.
years.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. So let's get a little more detail into, I'm looking at some of my notes, everything from electrical rewiring, interior and exterior lighting installations, TV wiring, bathroom lighting, whole home surge protectors, motion sensor installations, LED lighting installations and upgrades. So it's a wide variety of services you all provide.
Yes, ma'am. We do parking lot lighting, commercial warehouse lighting, electrical panel upgrades and installations, new builds, remodels, electrical vehicle chargers for homes and the stations that you see at like the Island Rec Center.
Yeah, did you hear that? So those of you that have electric vehicles, you can actually install at the home a charger.
Yes, or you're looking to purchase an electrical vehicle.
Okay.
We can install the outlet ready to go before your vehicle comes.
Are you doing more of that?
Yes.
You are?
Over the past few years, it has been a lot more common than before, and it is very popular. And then a lot of stores are looking more into having the independent chargers in the parking lots.
So when people go to shop, they are charging their car.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mm-hmm. Tell us a little bit about your background, you and your husband.
Sure. My husband has been in electrical for 25 plus years. We're both from New York, but he's been doing electrical for a very long time, commercial, residential, and all different scales of electrical work. My background is in graphic design and HVAC. I've been in the HVAC industry for over 10 years. So I'm very used to and familiar with construction. I was a project manager and operations manager in the past, and together we are a very good team. Strong team.
And what brought you to Ridgeland?
We were originally in Bluffton, but we moved out to Ridgeland just for the beauty. We have our own little piece of paradise. My daughter has a horse.
Oh, neat.
And we have our own little farm out there, and it's just a very peaceful life versus the hustle and bustle of New York City.
So y'all were in New York?
Yes, ma'am.
In New York City? Oh, gosh.
Yes, ma'am.
And future plans for the business, continuing to grow, and are you wanting to expand more on the commercial side or the residential, or both?
Both. We're very proud to be part of this community, so we're looking to just grow and expand and just be there for homeowners and business owners to however they may need assistance, whether it's an emergency or they're looking to upgrade or install new items. So we're just looking to grow all around and just be a stronger piece of the community.
Okay, very good. Again, the name of your business is Stellar Services.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's Victoria, and what's your husband's name?
Dave.
Dave. All right, thanks. Nice to meet you. Good to have you on Talk of the Town.
Thank you.
Victoria.